Alright guys, I got a 2009 Mazda 6 up on the lift here, and every time you hit a bump, the car makes a clink clink noise, click click click. So there's few things you want to check if that's the issue you have. But the customer went and replaced the shocks, both sides, the struts, spent a hell of a money, but we discovered something, and the customer, this is the job, we did not do this job, okay? And that did not resolve the issue. So we went in further, and I see an oil leaking over here, but I don't know if that's the spring from the old shocks. But anyways, this is a $40 fix right here. This is a 40. You can fix your car with 40 bucks or probably 60 bucks. All right, so a few things you want to check is you want to check your joints here, and you just take your pry bar, you can move everything around, just wiggle things around, and you will find something. Same thing with the ball joint here. All right, there you go. I'm not even gonna go into that because I already found the problem. You also want to check your bushings over here. You see that bushing right there? That bushing is held in good, but not so good. But I'm not worried about the bushing. The problem is right here, okay? This is a very common problem on sway bar linkage. Check this out. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to wiggle this around. And forget the pry bar. You see that? So this thing is pretty much done deal right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the sway bar linkage. This is pretty much loose in here. So they must have worked on this and they did not tighten it up properly. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna set up my camera. I did turn my steering a little bit. I'm gonna take off this 10. We're gonna remove the linkage from here and down here, and we're gonna put in a new sway bar linkage. Procedure goes same for the opposite side and same for the back. But anyways, let's continue this job. Okay, so to begin with, we're gonna take off this guy right here because it's blocking the view here. Make sure you put this back in. You don't want to leave this loose. You should never leave anything loose. Anyways, once we have that off, what I want to do is I want to use this Allen key right here that goes into this right here. A lot of times it's different ways to take off the sway bar linkages, but what we're gonna do here is we're gonna get this guy out of there. That's the first step. That's number one step right there. So I need to figure that out. It's rusted inside. I might clean it up a little bit and then we'll continue. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our wrench in here, and then I am gonna take the Allen key to hold the center. That's how we're gonna try to take this off. I tap that in, and I think I got it backward. Crazy me. That's a crazy me. So what we need to do is come out. We're gonna flip the angle here. I was actually tightening. I don't want to tighten it. I want to replace it. And this guy is gonna come out. It's coming out. If you want, you can lubricate a little bit. My camera moved, but it's okay if you're still able to see. There goes my Allen. This comes off. Do the same thing for the bottom one right here. The bottom one might not be so easy, but this one has a play in the joint. I can feel it. But we're gonna take off that one as well. So same process. You're gonna be working in the bottom right there, but same thing. Allen key in the center, and you should be able to put it from right there, or you push it up a little bit. It's all up to you. So let me get that one off, and we're gonna put another. Boys and girls, so I got the second bolt off over here, so the linkage is ready to come out. Again, this is a $40 fix right here. So this is the linkage right here that was causing the trouble. All right, and make sure you put it the same way because they do have an angle. Okay, I like to keep them and wait till I get a new piece in the same position. Okay, this one is straight, and this one, you see the neck head is a little bit angled. or there's, I don't know, they could be different, same, but some cars are different. But I'm gonna keep it just like that and wait for the new piece. All right, guys, so I got the pieces here, and let me show you. I pulled the one out of the box. I'm gonna show you the part number. There's the part number. So Bar Linkages for the Mazda. And this is like a $40 piece, $40 and $40, or it might be 40, 50 bucks each for you, because I do have a discounted commercial account. They are different, right and left are different. So you always want to take the old one. Let's put this down here. You see this? If you look at it, it's gonna be it's like just the position of it, okay? So if we had held the other one, this thing would have faced the other way around. All right, so simply we're gonna take this and put it inside. Okay, now what we do is with the new piece, you take this and put one side in, and you're gonna have to get the other side in as well. And that's how simple it is. Now we could put 18 and 18 and whatever the size is here, and it's really simple to put these back in, okay? So you take your new bolts. These are mechanized to lock in there, so it's like pretty much locking itself in there. You can see it's oval at the end. That last thread is a little bit crooked, and that locks the bolt in, so it will never become loose ever again. And put it back the same way you took off. So let me get my tools, and we're gonna continue. All right, guys, got everything set up over here. So I do have a 15 millimeter over here. This is 15, and just measure up the one you need, and in the back end it's 18. Nice and tight. I'm gonna do the same thing down below. If you can see it, same thing. Okay, I might have to take off my extension. Yep, extension gotta come off because it doesn't have enough space. Or you could just use a ratchet, but here goes nothing. It's gonna be solid after this. There should be no more noises. Okay, I can't fit that in there. I'm gonna have to put my ratchet. It's all good. It's all good. So I do have this ready. Even if that don't fit, then you're gonna have to work some magic out. We're gonna go get number 15 wrench. All right, now let me move my light on this side, and I got a 15 here. I might have to work a little bit, but that's good for me. And there you go, nice and tight. Don't forget to put this number 10 back in. If you have this Mazda, if you took off your ABS line, because you don't want to damage them, you don't want to stretch them. That's the whole purpose of removing this stuff. And after that, that's it. All right, guys, now if you try to move it, no more noise. It's not even budging. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one.